Hello student, I am Mrs. Alka Sharma from NCMS Jhabua. Today I am taking the class 8 Social Science Civics chapter number 2 Understanding Secularism. I already explained you what is secularism and what are the different functions. Today I am taking what is the similarities of Indian secularism with other countries, in what way Indian secularism from the other countries. So see, what are the similarities of Indian constitution with other countries? Some of the objectives of Indian secularism are similar to those including the constitution of secular democratic country. For example, we will see the US. Do you know? The first amendment of the USA constitution, it prohibits the legislature from making the law respecting an establishment of religion, or they prohibit it is free exercise of religion. It means the word establishment means that legislature cannot declare any religion, nor they give any preference to one of the religion. Means all the religions are equal. So in the USA, the separation between the state and religion means neither a state nor a religion can interfere in the affairs of one another. In India also same. Nobody can interfere in any religion. Neither the state can interfere. But next question comes, in what way is Indian secularism is different that of other democratic countries? So you see, there is a one way in which Indian secularism is differ from dominating understanding the secularism practiced in United States of America. You see, because unlike the strict separation between the religion and the state in American secularism, the Indian secularism state can intervene in religious affairs, maybe sometimes according to the principle of the constitution. See, the Indian constitution intervene means some efforts on a particular matter according with the principle of constitution. Like in Hindu religious practices, earlier there was untouchability. In order to abolish this untouchability from the India, in Indian secularism, so the state is not strictly separate from the religion. It does not make any principal distance with the religion, but to comparison with someone. This means that, what does it mean? It means that state has to be based on the ideas laid by the constitution. According to that, they have to be function. These ideas serve as a standard through which we can judge easily whether the state is not behaving according to the secular principles. Do you know, the Indian state is secular and they works in various ways to prevent the religious domination. So our Indian constitution guarantees, how we are safe, because it guarantees our fundamental right, and that is based on secular principles. However, it is not to say that there is no violation of these rights. In the Indian society, it always happens, but indeed it is precisely because such violations happen frequently. But we are having some constitutional mechanism to prevent them if this will be happen. The knowledge that such rights to be exist makes us sensitive that how we can, our government can take the action if the violation takes place. Our constitution has, in secularism, our government has done effort like they remove the untouchability, child marriage like this. So these can be based on the constitution, according to our constitution. So today I finish this chapter. Next time I will take the history. Thank you.